Howdy folks, and welcome to today's episode of One of 9 Hobbies. Today I'm excited to take you through the steps I took to create a rundown farm diorama for Boylei Hobby Time's monthly art challenge. First things first, you have to have something to build the diorama on, so I cut out a block of XPS foam. Farms are normally pretty flat, so I decided not to add too much elevation change to it. I'll leave that to the Sculptamold. Next up, I built the farmhouse in a water tank. This set was made by Lifelike, and it was rather finicky to put together, like most Lifelike sets I have built. Think of it as Lego for grown-ups, but with more glue, and honestly, some really awful instructions. After gluing the structures to the base, I applied Sculptamold. I waited a solid 48 hours because, well, patience is a virtue, especially in diorama construction. And okay, maybe it just didn't dry as fast as I hoped. Once dry, it was time to paint. The Sculptamold got a lovely coat of brown from Woodland Scenics, because even farmyards deserve a touch of earthy elegance. Then I started the greenery. I planted model corn and rows of foliage to simulate crops in a row. In hindsight, I should have done this after I did the painting. I ordered some Vallejo paints and they arrived just in time for this build. In hindsight, I really should have painted everything before I put it on the base, but unfortunately the paints did not arrive until I was halfway through this build. To give it that rustic, seen better days charm, I weathered everything with a heavy dry brushing of white and dark gray to make the wood look old. I tried applying a wash of the dark gray mixed with water to the farmhouse roof, but it did not give me the right effect I was looking for. So I dry brushed on some black with a vengeance, and that came out spectacularly if you ask me. Finally, I added a ground cover. It's the garnish that ties it all together, making this scene complete and not just some brown painted plaster. I sealed it all together using isopropyl alcohol and some watered down scenic glue. Finally, I added some black paint to cover up the dirty edges, and then I called it complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more crazy dioramas.